Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Begin by checking the cap, gasket, and bottle mouth for debris and damage. Look closely for dirt, cracks, or missing pieces that stop the seal. Visually measure the mouth diameter and note if threads are worn or misaligned. Standard consumer bottles commonly use 28 mm to 38 mm openings. If compression looks uneven, replace the gasket or cap before proceeding. A new gasket restores uniform pressure and prevents leaks when you next close the bottle. Seat the cap straight on the bottle mouth and align the threads evenly. Engage the threads fully by hand and ensure the cap turns without cross-threading. Tighten the cap using 1 to 2 full hand turns until it feels snug and consistent. Do not over-tighten. Excessive torque can damage threads or crush gaskets. If you cannot achieve a uniform seal by hand, use a strap wrench with gentle pressure to finish the closure, preserving the cap and bottle integrity. After closing, perform a quick inversion test for 10 to 30 seconds to detect leaks. If liquid escapes, reopen, inspect the gasket, and reseat the cap carefully before retesting. Clean threads and the gasket monthly using mild soap and water to prevent residue buildup. Replace the gasket every 6 to 12 months or sooner if it shows cracking. Do not boil plastic caps unless manufacturer rates them for heat. Heat can warp gaskets and change seal pressure over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.